Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the DEWALT 20V Handheld Vacuum, a compact powerhouse that promises big performance in small spaces. Whether you're working on a construction site, in the garage, or around the house, this tool is designed to tackle tough messes. Let's break it down so you can decide if it's the right fit for your cleaning needs. First, let's talk about the features that make this vacuum stand out. The DEWALT 20V is a cordless handheld vacuum, ideal for handling debris like drywall dust, screws, nails, and other construction remnants. At 46 CFM cubic feet per minute, it delivers strong suction to pick up these common materials, ensuring your workspace stays clean and safe. This vacuum is a dry-only cleaner, designed for dust and debris, not liquids, but it's powerful enough to manage the messes you're most likely to encounter. One of the standout features of the DEWALT vacuum is its versatility. It comes with 6 attachments, including a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, gulper brush, floor nozzle, round brush, and an extension tube. These make it perfect for a variety of tasks, from cleaning tight corners to tackling larger surfaces like hardwood floors in your garage or workshop. The vacuum easily converts into stick vacuum mode, giving you multiple ways to clean depending on your needs. Now, let's talk about real-world use. Whether you're cleaning around the shop, on a job site, or at home, the vacuum offers a bright LED light to help you see into dark corners or under furniture, an often overlooked feature that adds a lot of value. Weighing in at just 3.3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms, this vacuum is lightweight and well-balanced, which makes it easy to handle during long cleaning sessions. The belt clip is also a nice touch, freeing up your hands for more efficient work, and it can be mounted on either side for convenience. The DEWALT vacuum uses HEPA filtration, which ensures that even fine dust, like concrete or drywall particles, is trapped and not released back into the air. This makes it a great option for allergy sufferers or anyone working in environments where dust can be problematic. And when it comes time to empty the canister, the push-button release makes it quick and easy, reducing the hassle of maintenance. In terms of battery life, this vacuum is equipped with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery sold separately. It's capable of providing up to 214 minutes of runtime per charge when paired with the DCB 205 battery. That's a solid amount of time for tackling medium to large cleaning tasks. But keep in mind the battery is not included, so you'll need to factor that into your cost. As with any product, the DEWALT vacuum isn't without its downsides. For one, it's designed specifically for dry debris. If you need a vacuum for wet messes or liquids, this one won't do the job. Also, while it's designed for tough jobs, it doesn't have the same suction power as some larger vacuums on the market. However, considering its portability, compact size, and range of accessories, it's not really a deal breaker unless you're looking for a heavy-duty, all-purpose cleaner. The attachments included with the vacuum are a definite plus. The flexible hose and extension tube make it easy to reach up high or get into tight spaces. The crevice nozzle is great for detailed cleaning, and the floor nozzle ensures that even larger areas get cleaned efficiently. Each of these tools is built to handle a specific type of task, from cleaning fine dust to dealing with larger particles. Now, let's take a quick look at how this vacuum compares to similar models. Compared to other handheld vacuums in the same price range, the DEWALT stands out for its superior suction power, the versatility provided by its range of attachments, and the added convenience of the LED light. If you're specifically looking for a cordless, lightweight vacuum that can handle tough construction debris, it's definitely a great choice. But if you're after something for everyday cleaning around the house, a larger model or one designed for wet-dry cleaning might be a better fit. In terms of value for money, the DEWALT 20V Handheld Vacuum offers a solid balance of performance and portability. For those working in commercial settings, construction, or even just in a large garage or workshop, its high suction power and long runtime are big selling points. The 6 attachments provide a lot of versatility, and the HEPA filter is a nice touch for those who are concerned about air quality. However, if you don't need this level of suction or plan on using it for lighter indoor tasks, there may be other options that offer more value at a lower price. Looking at the build quality, this vacuum feels solid and durable. DEWALT is known for its rugged tools, and the vacuum is no exception. The design feels robust, and the materials used, while lightweight, don't feel flimsy. The vacuum is easy to maintain, with simple steps for cleaning the filters, clearing blockages, and keeping everything in working order. The absence of any major maintenance concerns is a big plus for those who don't want to be bogged down with constant upkeep. As for longevity, it's too early to say how the DEWALT vacuum holds up over time. However, given DEWALT's strong reputation for durable products, you can reasonably expect this vacuum to last, especially if it's used within the intended environments. The 3-year limited warranty adds a layer of peace of mind, ensuring that any issues will be addressed by the manufacturer. Now, as far as customer support goes, DEWALT is known for providing good service. In case anything goes wrong, you can expect responsive customer care and a hassle-free warranty process. Many users have reported positive experiences with the company's support, which is important for a product like this that sees heavy use. In conclusion, the DEWALT 20V Handheld Vacuum is a strong contender for anyone needing a lightweight, portable vacuum with serious suction power. Whether you're a professional working in construction or just someone who needs a vacuum for the garage or workshop, this one checks a lot of boxes. It's not the right fit for those looking for an all-purpose cleaner for the home, but if you're focused on tough, dry debris, it's a reliable choice. The combination of versatility, suction power, and a solid warranty makes it a worthy investment for the right user. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts on the DEWALT vacuum, or if you're already using it, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep those spaces clean and clutter-free. Only here at Reviews Inside TV.